every day is a quest to find the newest technology in video games.
With us being a new channel, we really appreciate your support. So do us a favor and like, subscribe, share, and comment below. And here we go.
Hey friends, welcome to Quest for Tech. Today we're checking out the Laxihub P2 security camera by Arenti. Arenti has been making affordable, high-quality cameras and monitors for some time now. So let's see how the P2 does. The Laxihub P2 is regularly priced at $34.99 on Amazon. But friends, if you use this code, you'll get a 5% discount, and if you click the link that we have in our description below, you'll get an additional 20% off. So that's 25% off the original Amazon price. So what makes the Laxihub P2 so nice? Well, it's an indoor home security camera / baby monitor. It has 1080p video recording, enhanced night vision at up to 10 meters. It has clear two-way audio, AI motion and sound detection, and it's compatible with Alexa and Google. And one of the coolest things about this camera is that it moves. You can control the movement of the camera right from the app and move the P2 up to 355 degrees horizontally and 60 degrees vertically. And you can do all of this using a wide angle view, giving you the power to see more than just one direction. The camera also has a geofencing auto advanced privacy mode where the lens goes under the cover, preventing any unwanted viewers from accessing the camera's sights. The P2 also supports up to 128 gigs of SD card storage, and you get Arenti cloud storage free for 3 months. And you'll have peace of mind knowing that your video history is protected on the AWS Amazon cloud with bank level encryption technology. The P2 comes with everything you need to power the device and mount it on your wall. Setup is super easy. Just download the Arenti app from the Google Play or App Store, create an account, and plug in the camera. When you're prompted to, connect it to your Wi-Fi, and once you see the QR code pop up, place it in front of the camera lens at about 5 or 6 inches away, and you should be all set. When the camera light turns solid blue, the setup process is complete, and you're now paired to the app. You just have to put the camera where you want to use it, either standing upright or mounted upside down on a ceiling. We chose to mount it to get a better view of our room, and it came out really nice. After you get the camera all set up, you can jump right into the app. The Arenti app is easy to use, and it gives you total control for using the camera. When you first open it up, you'll get an instant view of the camera. You can click this icon to turn off and on the motion detection, and you can open the settings menu all the way at the bottom right. Inside the settings menu, you can share your camera access with other family members or whoever else you want to give access to the camera. You can turn the motion detection from low to medium to high so the app will notify you whenever there's movement and or sound. You can set the camera to record a full day of activity for up to 3 days, or you can have it just start recording when there's movement or sound detected. You can also get instructions on how to connect your camera to Alexa or Google Assistant. From the main screen, you can press the directional arrows to move the camera left, right, up, or down. You can even pinch to zoom in or out. You can also change the camera recording quality from 360p to 1080p to 1080p with 2 megapixel still photos. You can also rotate your phone or tablet to view everything in wide angle, where you'll still have full control of the camera movement. Pressing the camera button on the left will automatically start recording what you're looking at. The button next to it will take a still pic of whatever the camera's looking at. The microphone will allow you to speak to anyone in view, while the speaker button to the right will let you hear anything within the camera's position. Along the bottom of the app, you have your history of events, either motion or sound. You have your album of saved events that you've recorded or captured, and you have the live icon to go right back to the live camera view. The Laxihub P2 is a great camera for the money. You're getting 1080p full HD video and sound with a camera that you can move up to 355 degrees horizontally or 60 degrees vertically, right from the app. The app is easy to use and it gives you great visibility of what's in the camera's view. However, the one drawback is that sometimes you'll get a little bit of a lag when seeing the image after rotating the camera. When you're holding down left or right on the directional pad for the camera to move left or right, it takes a second for the app to register that you're holding down the rotate button and then send the signal to the camera. Internet speed and connectivity will surely play a role in this, but it is something to keep in mind. But for the price, you'll be hard pressed to find another full-featured camera like the Laxihub P2 by Arenti. We'd like to thank Arenti for sending us the P2 to check out, and if you'd like to try out the P2 for yourself, just click the link below in the description and you'll get 20% off plus another 5% for using this code. Thanks so much, friends, for questing with us. We really appreciate you. Do us a huge favor and like the video, and please subscribe to the channel to help us grow and for more cool tech videos. It really helps us out. We really appreciate you all. Thanks again, friends. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe and never stop questing. Peace.